Hey there, welcome back to Life Mastery. Navigating a long-distance relationship is a challenging yet rewarding endeavor. Despite the popular belief that such relationships are doomed, the truth is that they can actually contribute to the growth and deepening of affection between partners. Absence does have the power to make the heart grow fonder, and it often leads to partners appreciating each other more when they're not constantly together. In some cases, distant couples report feeling even closer than those who share the same physical space, all because they've learned to communicate and handle challenges in unique ways. The secret to success in a long-distance relationship? It all boils down to one word: effort. Here are 6 detailed tips on how to maintain and nurture a long-distance relationship. 1. Exchange meaningful keepsakes. As you prepare to part ways due to distance, consider giving each other personal gifts that hold sentimental value. These items serve as tangible reminders of your connection and the love you share. It could be something as simple as nightlights, stuffed animals, a piece of jewelry, matching hoodies, or even mugs. The value isn't determined by cost, it's the meaning behind the object that matters. The gift should symbolize a shared experience or something special between the two of you. 2. Set routines and communicate schedules. The challenge of time zone differences can be daunting, but it's essential to embrace these differences. Learning to navigate varying schedules can teach both patience and flexibility. Once you and your partner settle into your respective routines, sharing your schedules and availability becomes crucial. Depending on the time zone disparity, you may need to take turns accommodating each other's preferred times for Skype calls, phone chats, or virtual dates. Finding this balance may initially feel overwhelming, but with persistence and open communication, a rhythm that works for both of you will eventually emerge. 3. Build trust and avoid assumptions. Life is unpredictable, and unforeseen events can disrupt communication patterns. The key to handling these situations is building and maintaining trust. Instead of jumping to conclusions or letting anxious thoughts consume you, have open conversations about your feelings and concerns. Trust is the foundation of any successful relationship, and addressing issues directly with your partner is far more effective than overanalyzing situations or making baseless assumptions. Avoid bottling up your insecurities, as this can create unnecessary distance between you. 4. Focus on quality communication. In a long-distance relationship, consistent communication is crucial. However, striking the right balance is equally important. Excessive messaging can lead to feelings of being overwhelmed or burnt out. To maintain a healthy connection, prioritize the quality of your conversations over the frequency of contact. This approach allows you to delve into meaningful discussions, exploring each other's ideas, intellect, and perspectives. Engaging in more thoughtful conversations can lead to a deeper appreciation for one another and keep the relationship vibrant. 5. Make the most of visits. Whenever you have the opportunity to see each other in person, it's essential to make the most of the time you share. While it's tempting to plan exciting and adventurous activities, remember that the most meaningful moments often come from simple togetherness. Be prepared to adapt and be flexible during visits. Sometimes, after a long period of separation, all you'll want to do is spend quiet moments enjoying each other's company. It's these everyday, relaxed times that create lasting memories and strengthen the emotional connection. 6. Embrace challenges together. Long-distance relationships come with their share of challenges, but viewing these challenges as opportunities for growth can significantly impact the success of your relationship. It's natural for insecurities to arise, and there may be moments when you question whether the distance is worth it. During such times, take a step back and reflect on the reasons you chose to embark on this journey together. Whether the separation is due to pursuing different educational paths, career opportunities, or other life circumstances, remind yourselves that this distance is temporary. You're both working on yourselves individually, which ultimately contributes to the strength of your partnership. It's essential to recognize that maintaining a healthy relationship does not require sacrificing your personal needs or growth. Remember, relationships thrive on shared effort, mutual understanding, and the ability to face challenges together. While the road may be challenging, the rewards of a strong and enduring long-distance relationship can be immeasurable. If you have experience with long-distance relationships, feel free to share your insights and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on future content. Thanks for watching.